So we just installed something to our 2024 Toyota Tacoma that's gonna improve the sound that it has over the factory JBL speakers. But we're gonna see if there's actually an improvement. So over here, we have a 2025 Toyota Tacoma with the factory JBL speakers. We're gonna listen to what this sounds like and then come over here. So to make things fair, we have the treble, the mid, and the bass set right down the middle. And then we're going to be using volume 30 for both trucks. So I'm gonna set the mic on the center console and then we'll play the music. So now we are in my truck. We have the settings set the same. We're gonna play the same song and we're gonna set it at 30 as well. Now that you guys have listened to both vehicles, we're gonna see what Peter and Braden thought of sitting in both of them.
So in my truck, we did not have the amplifier installed. It sounded a lot quieter, even at 30. It was kind of the same.
Definitely.
But in terms of bass, treble, mid, it felt really similar. But in this truck with the amplifier, I could definitely tell it was a lot louder.
I definitely agree. Yeah, as soon as we jumped into the Tuan's truck, the sound was definitely louder, but it was all very balanced, like what you were saying, between treble and bass and mid. So yeah.
I'm curious how that looks if you were to raise the volume a little bit, if it's going to reach a point where it sounds much better than kind of sounding similar, but louder, you know, how that might look.
Yeah.
So while we were shooting this video, we just happened to have a brand new 6th gen 4Runner right here. So if you are in Colorado and you're looking for a new 4Runner, Tacoma, Land Cruiser, they got a bunch of them here. Come see Braden. He's here at Mountain States Toyota. He's been the one helping us out with pretty much all of our vehicle purchase, and he's been amazing. So I would highly recommend him. So the installation of the amplifier is actually really easy. This part behind the head unit pops out. There's a couple of bolts that you have to undo, but then you can kind of move it out of the way, connect the amplifier, and then tuck it back in there. There's plenty of room back there, so there's really not a lot of like issues that you can run into. And then just put it all back. Super easy, probably can do it within 15 minutes or so. And then now you have much better, louder sounding music. So this product is made from a company called Beat Sonic. I will have a link to this product here, but if you're somebody who likes to listen to your music loud, or if you have big knobby tires like us and a bunch of gears, so when you're driving it tends to be a little bit louder and you really have to turn up the volume, this amplifier will allow you to do that without having to max out your volume on your speakers. So that's really going to be it for this video. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you guys want to see and we'll try to make those videos for you. We'll see you guys later.